everyone, hope you all are doing well. Welcome to our new video of Sisters Creation. So today we are going to show some handloom and khadi collection. So let's display.
Okay, so first display is check khadi, that is of red and white combination. The base is white. It's very bright, as you can see there.
Yes.
This is a skirt border
Red
with
color.
red color, red designs, both the sides. Here is a skirt border. Here
Both the sides. The skirt
both the
border.
sides. Here skirts border. Here light border. And the whole body will come like this. It will goes like this.
Yes.
Check design all over the body with red
And white.
and white base. White base. This is the pallu. This is the pallu
part.
with temple pattern, red and white. Okay. And
this is the
BP.
BP.
This is BP. It will look so bright, you can carry it anywhere. It's for all age group, not
Yes.
only for seniors. Teenage can also even carry it. It's very
And
bright
very
color.
soft.
Very soft.
Yes.
And pocket friendly, obviously.
Smart also.
Smart also.
Yes.
The whole body goes like this. You can see the whole body. And it's very bright. Our first collection, that is of check khadi. It's pure khadi material. No duplicate thing. It's pure khadi material. Pocket friendly and very
soft.
It's very soft. Comes in handy. And all over the body goes like this. First collection khadi material.
So
Now
moving on to our next collection.
This is fish khadi.
Yes. Of black color.
Pure black color. And the whole body goes like this with handcrafted
fish work.
Yes, the whole body is in black with handcrafted fish work of yellow and red color. The pallu goes like this with handcrafted fish work in the pallu. The whole pallu is beautifully worked with handcrafted fish, and this is pure khadi material. The material that we show here is 100% pure quality,
not a duplicate one.
yes. And this is the par. Show the par. This is the par with red par. Red par with running BP. This is running BP
of black color.
Yes. Second
This is a
sari
running BP.
goes with fish khadi. Moving on to our third sari. Yes, third display, that is of chatai khadi. This is onion base color, or you can say it as a pink color also. It's a
Pinkish red.
pinkish red, yes. See the, let me show the work. Let me show the work. The whole body goes like this. Handcrafted and 100% pure khadi. This is the pallu.
This is the pallu part.
The pallu is also handcrafted
with a temple border.
Stripe. The pallu goes on grey stripe with pink base, and this all are handcrafted with pom-pom. Pom-pom in pallu.
Pom-pom.
Yes, and running BP.
This is the running BP.
Running BP. Third sari.
This is our third display.
Chatai khadi.
Chatai khadi. Moving on to our next display.
Madhubani. Golden yellow and mustard
It's of golden yellow.
The whole body goes like this. This work is called Madhubani work. Let me show you the achal, or you can say pallu part. The whole pallu is
beautifully designed,
beautifully worked. This is called Madhubani work.
So beautiful.
So beautiful. So beautiful. So elegant sari it is.
Very smart.
Very smart looking.
Summer friendly.
And the color is perfectly suitable for Saraswati Puja as well. Yes, this the whole body goes like this. This is Madhubani work of golden
Very
yarn.
bright color.
Very bright
Very
color.
soft.
Yes. Very soft, very
Very
bright,
comfortable.
and very comfortable and pure
So
material.
this is our fourth.
Fourth sari.
Moving
This
on to
is
our next
Linen by Linen
of black color.
And let me show you the threads.
These are all handcrafted.
Handcrafted with this threads. 100% hand linen.
Linen.
Black color. Full black.
This is the BP.
Running BP.
Running BP.
The whole body goes like this. The whole body goes like this. Handwork. Linen. This is the pallu. Linen by linen. Cotton silk handloom.
This is our next collection.
Cotton silk handloom.
A parrot green
Parrot
color.
green color with onion golden design, with banyan design here. In pallu.
Golden banyan design.
Yes. This is the pallu.
This is the pallu part.
Beautifully
Beautifully handcrafted.
designed.
Yes.
Parrot green. Whole body goes like this. This is cotton silk handloom.
Parrot green.
Parrot green. Contrast BP.
This is the contrast.
Contrast BP. Cotton silk handloom. Very pocket friendly and
Very
pure material.
soft.
Pure material. Moving on
To our next
next
display.
collection, handloom sari.
A very sweet,
Sweet color,
pink.
pink.
It's a rose pink actually.
Yes. Rose pink color. It's perfect for a new bride to carry. Teenagers as well can easily carry
Teenagers
this.
and
In
also
fact,
can
all
carry.
age group. Teenagers and new bride can carry this color. Now it's a wedding season. It's perfectly suitable for newly bride to wear and to carry. It's very soft,
Very
pocket
light
friendly
weighted,
and pure
comfortable.
material. Pure handloom material. The whole body goes like this. Handcrafted. Whole body goes like this. Rose pink color handloom. 100% pure
Pure
handloom
handloom.
material.
So moving on to our
our
next display.
Last
This is
collection.
the last.
Another yet handloom.
Beautifully worked
Some beautiful handloom.
of maroon.
This is the body.
This is the body.
All over the body goes like this. Green. All over the body goes like this.
Green.
Perfect sari to carry on. This is the pallu.
Maroon color.
Maroon, and this is the BP.
Blouse.
Contrast BP. You can easily carry with any of your jewelry and it will make
You look perfect.
perfect, elegant. The specialty of this sari is very light, body
Very
hugging.
soft.
Really very body hugging. You can easily
Yes.
carry this in any of your occasion and it will add another essence to your look. So this
The designs are of flower.
flower
Flowers,
motif.
Flower motif.
Handcrafted flower motif all over the body. Here also. So this was our last
Last
collection, handloom. If you like any of other sari that we have shown earlier, then
Yes,
take a
please take
screenshot
and you can WhatsApp us on our number 9477221452.
And it is also mentioned, all the links are mentioned in our description box.
You can check there also.
Yes, you can get to us by that.
Yes.
Take a screenshot and WhatsApp us on our WhatsApp number. You can also come into to our shop, and that all the links are given in description. You can check out from there.
All the details also
All the
are given
details.
in the description box.
Yes. So
if you like the video, then please like it, comment it, share it with your friends and relatives, and don't forget to subscribe it. Please subscribe it.
Please subscribe to our channel. We'll come back with yet another video and yet another exclusive sari collection. Till then, please support us.
Bye.